About you with not. Using not with about you can have two meanings. You will usually understand the meaning from the context. Number one, normal negative meaning. For example, are you about to eat? No, we're not about to eat, but we are about to watch TV. Indicate willingness, typically American English. For example, they know they're wrong, but they're not about to admit it. I have never cooked for myself in my life, and I'm not about to start now. I wasn't about to pay $20 for some junk worth 5 cents. The government was not about to negotiate with terrorists. About you with questions. To make questions with about you,